Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So I got a fire starter in there. So I got a 2-zone. I'm gonna have a hot zone and a cool zone right here. We're gonna make some filet mignon as an appetizer, and then we're gonna make some chicken enchiladas, believe it or not. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the view on the way over here. This park is called Memory Park in Pismo Beach. There's two barbecue pits here. It's pretty cool. I don't see no restrooms anywhere, but other than that, it's pretty cool. This is our new family member here, the Mini Weber. I'm gonna use the red oak for flavor and for a blocker, so it'll block my the heat on the cool zone. All right, I'll bring you guys back. Well, the chicken is ready, guys. This only took no more than 15 minutes. This little Mini Weber, the Smoky Joe, is freaking awesome. So we're gonna pull this off and we're gonna shred it. Smoked chicken. It's gonna be bomb. Hopefully this closes, because it doesn't look like it. It's all right. Do a little bit modification here. It's all good. Let's see if this closes. Nope. Fail. Fail. Fail, fail, fail. I'm not gonna do this. You guys have any ideas? Nope. Not gonna work, guys. Fudge. Well, that was a fail. Fail, baby. But I have an idea. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it under the coals a minute or two, and I'll bring it back to the cool side, let it cool down, just back and forth. So what I'm going to be doing. It's the only way I can think about finishing off the enchiladas. So I'll bring you guys back once all this is cooked. I got shadows in the background, but it's all good. The enchiladas are bomb. They're fire, no doubt. They don't look the prettiest, guys, but I can tell you this is delicious. Thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'll see you next week. And thank you for all the new subscribers that we're getting. We're almost at 100. And thank you guys very much. I'll see you next week.